Manhattan Renovation Reality. Episode 6. Elevator Windows, the hidden schedule killer. The elevator can control your renovation. In Manhattan, your renovation schedule is not just about labor and materials. Sometimes it comes down to one thing: the service elevator. Many COOPs and condos limit when materials can come in, when debris can go out, and how long your crew has access. Miss the elevator window, and the whole day can shift. That is why luxury renovation in Manhattan is really logistics, planning, and pressure management. Corniel Construction helps coordinate building rules, deliveries, licensed trades, and project timing so avoidable delays are reduced before they become expensive problems. This is real Manhattan renovation life. Corniel Construction LLC, Manhattan and NYC renovations. That means checking the paperwork, the access rules, the building requirements, the work hours, and the coordination plan before the first tool enters the apartment. In Manhattan, luxury renovations are won through planning, coordination, and knowing how to navigate the building before the work even begins. Follow for real Manhattan renovation life. DM plan.